My after shower routine. First of all, skincare. Toner. It's never enough toner for me. I'm using this rice toner because it's super light and moisturizing. But when my skin is too dry, I use this toner first and then toner pads. So I kinda double the effect. And look at these toner pads. Nothing on my face. You literally cannot see them. I'm gonna blow dry my hair now. Before I take off my toner pads, I'm going to brush my teeth. What a rush. I forgot that I have toner pads on my face. Rice serum. I love this thing. It absorbs into the skin in 3 seconds. I really like it. Feels so nice to take hot shower. I feel super relaxed. And I did hippie turn lately, so to keep them curly, I use this thing. I will show you how it works. And while it's getting hot, I'm gonna use body cream. My whole body, include face, is super dry, and especially legs. So I left my hair a little bit wet for this thing. Look at the volume right now. My skincare is done, hair is done, body is moisturized, and I'm ready to go to sleep in my cute pajama.